Now we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. Problem number 122, how to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. A hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm rests on one of its sides on VP. The lamina 45 degrees to VP. The lamina is inclined to 45 degrees to VP and the side on which it rests is 45 degrees to HP. Draw its projections. To do this, first we see the solution part of it. So this is the solution what we need to write by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. So specify lower left corner is by default 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side and then go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends, zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line and this horizontal and this vertical and this horizontal vertical and this horizontal. Now we will go to layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view FV, click on new, type the layer by name top view TV. Now the layer 0 contains the line weight, the layer 0 contains the projector lines. All the projector lines will be of 0.05, so you just click on 0.05. Similarly, layer XY will going to have the line weight as 0.13 and the front view line type line weight will going to be of 0.5 and the top view line weight will going to be again of 0.5. So now the color of top view will going to be the magenta color and also the front view will going to have the blue color and say close it. Now we go for the polygon having a sides of 25 mm. So go to polygon, select number of sides as 6, take the edge option, select this and drag this side and take 25, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode and you take it and then go to line, select this ortho mode on again, draw a line, go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this and then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between this line and fillet between these two, then go to click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view, then here you click on this, go to layer as top view now. So now to do this, then go to layer with display on, then go to zoom, then you just go to break, select this, take first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then go to copy, select this, copy to the next position and now that should be rotated by an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, then just go to rotate, select this entire thing, go to end point. So take the angle as minus 45 degree. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. And again you take this line and draw a horizontal line. And go to line, take end point of this. Line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim. Select this as the object and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as object to trim. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break. First point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take intersection point of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, intersection point of this and say at the rate. Break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just click over this and change all these edges to layer front view. So once you do that, then you just zoom previous, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and again you take line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then you just go to copy, select this entire thing and copy to the next position, and then you rotate that by an angle of 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. Then go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotate with reference to this by 45 degrees. Then once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and again take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Once you do that, then you just go to line, take intersection point of this, take int of this and take intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break, select this first object, take int and at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this and break this line. Now you just select all these 6 edges and make these sides of layer as top view. Then just go to zoom previous, you select on this and you select on this and you select on this, make that layer as XY. Now we just come down to this and go to DDIM and you just go to modify. So primary units decimal as 0. So go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line above and take the text height as 3. Then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3. Say OK and say close. Then you just go to dim and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So you take it as 25. Then go to angular, dim. So angular, select between these two and you make it as 45 degree. And again you take angular, select between this and this, so take it 45 degree. So then go to dim TED and you select this text and you keep it here. Now we go for the text. So you select this and take the text height as 3 and rotation angle as 0. So capital X, mark VP and also HP, and here you mark it as Y, and so you put the caps lock off. So take A dash and take B dash, and here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, and here it is F dash. Similarly, you mark it as A, B and C, and this as bracket D, and this as bracket E, and this as bracket F. Now once you do that, you just switch off the ortho mode and move this X and place it wherever you want. Appropriately you keep it. Similarly HP, and here it is Y. Then you move this A dash and nearer to that point you keep this text. So similarly D dash, so here E dash and here F dash. All these commands we are doing by using move command. So both base point of displacement and then second point of displacement. So once you do that, B, E and A, F. Now you just click on this, go to layer, you make that layer as top view. Then of course you just select this also and you make it as top view. Then you click on B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash and A dash and capital VP, make that layer as front view. Now we need to copy this, so you copy A here and then B here, then C here, then we want to go for D, copy this here, then we want to copy this here, E, and you come to copy this F here. Then once you do that, so go to copy, you mark this as A dash and that A dash will come here, and you mark this as B dash and that B dash will come here, and you mark this as C dash. So copy, you mark C dash and that C dash will come here, and take D dash here and here. You mark this as E dash and that E dash will come here, then F dash, then you mark this as F dash. Then go to D text. So here you mark this as A, B, C, D, E and F. So now just you move this, you keep it A and you keep it F and you keep it B and you keep it E, you make this C and you make this D. So you just A, F, B, E, C, D, go to layer, you make that layer as top view. So this is how you will be able to, so you just go to dim TED, text edit dimension, so you drag this and place it nearer to this. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. So this is our final solution, and this solution is same as this. So this is how you will be able to complete the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.